watched a guy on YouTube this morning named Richard Fain who said he turned $1,000 into $1 million. And he said it only took him 20 years to do it. But he thought it was possible to do it in 1 or 2 years. My take on this is I believe he did what he said, and I even believe that it would be possible to do it in less than 20 years if you followed his instructions. But I think it would be too much risk to take in the real estate market today. If I were to take his advice, I would do it the same way he did and take the 20-year route. I believe that would be the safest way. Even though I have saved over $1,000, I don't think I could force myself to get into real estate the way the market is today. For those of you that like to take risks, I will leave a link to his video in the description below because I do think it's possible to do what he said. I just don't think it's the right time for me to do it. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. See you tomorrow, and please like and subscribe.